Hey Baddieful family, today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how we make our most popular Boba Lip Gloss.
So you guys already know, always start off by disinfecting your space, of course. Then you're going to put on your gloves. So I always start by just laying down a paper towel to keep everything also clean. And I like to mix our Boba Lip Gloss, and why not a Boba cup? So we use a Boba cup for that. We're going to start off by using our TKB Trading Lip Gloss base. I'll link everything in the description box for you guys. We will also be using this cruelty-free vitamin E oil, which I always buy organic. So this is 100% vitamin E oil. You want to make sure if you guys are running a business, make sure you guys get the most high quality things for your customers. So I do like to add my vitamin E oil immediately after. And we only need a little bit since we're only doing a smaller mixture today. I like to mix with a disposable chopstick, and you will see why I also like to use this once we mix them into the bottles. Just make sure you do mix a little bit slow so you don't have any bubbles. Next, we're gonna add our pigment. We're gonna use this peach blossom pigment. You only really need a little bit because we don't want it to be too dark of a pink color. This is already looking really beautiful. Now let's fill up our syringe. I found these adorable bottle lip gloss bottles on Amazon. I'll link them down below. Always make sure you do disinfect these. I have trust issues, so even though they're probably clean from the company, I don't trust and I always disinfect them anyways. You can do this by putting them in soap and water and soaking them for 30 minutes to an hour. We're gonna add our bobas. Of course, these are fake bobas, so you have to make sure you tell your customers, do not eat these bobas because they're not real bobas. I'll link them in the description box what I use. Now that we have our bobas in, we can go ahead with our lip gloss. I fill it up right before that first line. If you go any higher than that, once you put the stopper on, it may overflow and it just does not look nice. So now we're gonna go back in with our chopstick and we are gonna just go down at the bottom. And we're gonna just push the bobas around so you guys can see them better in the lip gloss. Now we can go ahead and add our stopper. How beautiful does that look? I love this boba inspired gloss and I hope that you guys love it too. It's a very simple recipe, but it has a lot of benefits for your lips and it's absolutely amazing. Bobas are super trendy right now and I absolutely love this style. Here's the other boba colors I have made as well. Original boba, matcha boba, and taro boba. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye you guys.